Okay, we want to print an invoice for a customer. How do we do that? Well, before we print the invoice, let's go to Preferences and ensure that the printer settings are correct. So click on Preferences and click System Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see double window envelopes. If you're going to be printing and using double window envelopes, select Yes in this field. The next field is 3-inch perforated invoice paper. Our invoice includes a return stub on the bottom. If you want to print that return stub on a 3-inch piece of perforated paper, then go ahead and change this field to Yes. This will indicate to the system that it should print the stub on the perforated 3-inch bottom portion of the page. Okay, so now we've set up our print options. It is time to load the paper into the printer. So assume now that we've loaded the appropriate paper into the printer and we are ready to print our invoice. Now we need to look at the actual invoice that we want to print. And there's a few ways you can do that. Number one, you can look at invoices for customers that are going to be paying their invoice online, let's say. These are people whose account has not indicated that they're to receive a paper invoice in the mail. Or you can look at a list of invoices for people who are going to receive an invoice in the mail. To look at all the invoices that are out there unpaid, just click on View Unpaid Invoices, which is what we're going to do. So then you look through the list and select the invoice that you want to print. Let's say we want to print this one, so we're going to click on it. Okay, so here is our invoice, but this is not what we're going to actually print. Let's go ahead and click on the View Print button, and that will show us the PDF that we're going to print. Notice this is the stub I was talking about, and if you're set up for 3-inch perforated paper, it will print this return stub on that 3 inches of paper. So then the customer will simply tear off that bottom portion and return the stub. Since I'm not using the 3-inch perforated paper, you'll notice that it displays a note on here saying remove bottom portion by cutting along dotted line and mail back with payment. If you're using perforated paper, this message is eliminated. Okay, so now we're ready to print the invoice. If you're on a Windows machine, you'll notice a little printer icon here. You can click on that to initiate the print dialog. Or you can right click on the invoice itself and choose Print. If you're using a Mac, press and hold the Command button and then press the letter P, and it will initiate the print dialog. So once you choose Print, from here you simply click the Print button and it will print the invoice on the paper that's loaded in your printer. That's how you print a single invoice.